Okay, so I see that they say this is frequently returned, but it is doing everything I need. I have two monitors, actually and my laptop all connected, and I use all screens, so I needed it to be able to divide like 5 screens because of what I'm doing. I don't have this set up currently, but it is such a great little tool. It did everything I needed. I'm not sure who says they're not getting what they need out of it, but I'm also purchasing another one because it is such a reasonable price. Everywhere else for what I get is well above what I feel like I want to pay, but not that it wasn't worth it. So this is a great tool, UGREEN. I've actually found them to be a great product. So yeah, check it out. I have 2 HDMIs. I have, and it does charge. I know they say it's a question about charging, but it absolutely charges, as you see. So it's not connected to anything but this. So it charges. It runs my mouse. It charges my portable keyboard that I have with it. And the laptop is plugged directly into it. So that's what I have to say. Maybe that's a little bit long, but you all get to see that it does what I need. All right. Thank you.